Adam, winter weather is expected to return this weekend. The risk of carbon monoxide poisoning goes up, especially during colder temperatures. 22 News anchor Taylor Knight explains how you can protect yourself and your family from this ongoing danger.
Carbon monoxide, it's considered a silent killer. The odorless, colorless gas is released when fuel sources like gas, propane, charcoal, or wood are burned. Carbon monoxide poisoning is much more common in the winter as people work to stay warm.
If it's going up the stack or the chimney, everything is great. When you have a problem with your heating appliance venting, then you run into a problem.
Because you can't see or smell it, Springfield Fire Commissioner B.J. Calvey says it is so important to have carbon monoxide alarms inside of your home, and you have to make sure that they're working.
Test them every time you change the batteries. When you change your clocks, check your batteries. You know, we're going to be on the campaign of change your clock, check your batteries in your smoke detector. You need to do the same thing in your carbon monoxide detector.
Possible symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning include a headache, chest pain, or shortness of breath, which can eventually lead to unconsciousness or even death. If you suspect that there's a carbon monoxide leak in your home, get out immediately and then call 911. Working for you in Springfield, Taylor Knight, 22 News.